Pakum Kumsin, Site HSC Coordinator for ETI Insight. I want to have your attention to talk to you about Dredge Master on this project and how they performed with regards to HSSC. Every work that we do on this side is permitized. We operate no permit, no work policy on this side. We also do daily risk assessments to identify the risk and hazard associated with the work, and also be able to identify the control measures to be able to arrest these hazards and make the work safe. We operate no alcohol policy on this site. Dredge Masters has also been compliant in this regard. We've conducted so many drills to test our emergency response, and in all, it has been perfect. Various drills that we've done has also gone well. This cannot be possible without the cooperation of all parties, of course, including Dredge Masters. From certifications of equipment, fit-for-purpose equipment, competent personnel, and conscious compliance to our HSSC procedures. This, as a result, has contributed to us having a free and safe work site.
The operations manager for Dredge Masters and the project manager for this OCTP post-trenching project ongoing. Currently, we have in the background the water master dredging the channel to ensure steady flow of water into the sump. Dredge Masters, wholly owned Ghanaian company under the Jospon group of companies. It started in the year 2015. It's a very young company, indigenous company with expertise in the dredging field. We offer varied dredging services like land reclamation, dredging of ponds, dams, erosion control, and other related dredging civil works, which are within the marine industry. Dredge Masters is led by a team of mariners with years of experience in the marine industry. We currently have undertaken a number of projects like the Korle Lagoon dredging project, which is a multi-million-dollar project being undertaken and sponsored by the government of Ghana. We've also worked with the Ghana Water Company and also with other private institutions and companies who have water reservoirs and water bodies that require dredging and erosion control. At the moment, this current project, which we are undertaking, have been awarded to us by Sirimas, being the contractor, and ENI being the client. It's a Government of Ghana project sponsored by the World Bank. The aim of this project is to ensure that gas from offshore, Cape 3 Point, is received onshore through a pipeline which needs to be buried. At the moment, it's partially buried, and Dredge Masters have been engaged to undertake the civil works which will support the trencher in ensuring that the pipe is buried to the required depth. Dredge Masters have also subcontracted components of the civil works to multinational companies like Frankie Powell and Wayo Engineering, who are doing sheet piling activity and fabrication works accordingly. Dredge Masters' responsibility is to ensure that we dredge and ensure steady flow of water into the civil structure components that have been installed. We have the sump behind me and the channel, which is a reservoir for the water which feeds the trencher to jets around the pipeline to ensure that the pipe is buried to a safe working depth. At the moment, we have 2 dredgers, 4 excavators, and a dozer which have been deployed on site, fit for purpose, gone through all the certifications with competent personnel on board the team. And myself, the project manager leading the team here, we have finished the first phase of the civil works where we've installed these structures and maintained the structures to ensure adequate water supply into this structure. At the moment, we are in the maintenance phase where we have to ensure that there's continuous flow of water, uninterrupted flow, to ensure that water is being fed to the trencher to allow for the post-trenching activity to move on smoothly without any hindrances. We have completed the first phase successfully, and Dredgmasters at the moment is in the maintenance phase, supporting the other subcontractor responsible for the post-trenching activity.
Project engineer for Dredgmasters. The summary of the project is to further bury a 26-inch diameter pipe, 35% pressurized gas pipeline. In order for us to bury the pipe further, we have to excavate along both sides of the pipe. So by doing so, we deploy 2 excavators, one at each side of the pipe, to excavate it further. And after excavating, there is a trencher. The trencher will be placed on the pipe. And there's a suction pump that will be placed into the sump. The sump supplies the suction pump and the trencher water to bury the pipe further. So when the trencher is on the pipe, it will be like dredging, it will be excavating, or it will be trenching under the pipe, and it will be sitting on it. And it will be moving further about 50 meters into the sea. So by going forth and back, there is a vessel in the sea or onshore, and there is a winch to offshore. So these 2 machines, one as a winch, the vessel in the sea as a winch, and offshore too as a winch. So by pulling the trencher into the sea, the winch on offshore also pulls the trencher back. So by going to and fro along the pipeline, the silt under the pipe will be excavated, or it will be dredged. So by doing so, the pipe itself will go down. That's bury the pipe further. So what is going on now is we are creating a sand beams, that's a sandbag, to prevent washing of the sand by the sea. We create the sand beams, we compacted it, and the crane, the microperic crane, will be on it, supporting the trencher, or the trenching machine that will be on the pipe. So by creating that platform, it's a working area, or a platform for the trencher, the mobile crane, as well as the excavator, to have easy access on the pipeline. So currently, that's what is going on now.
I would like to take this opportunity once again to commend Dredgmasters from their highly compliance to HSSE.
After this project, the number of government and oil and gas projects which we are going to embark on to ensure that we deliver the same spirit and same manner and the same efficiency that we've executed this one.